Hi, welcome to my channel, Zazaline. My name is Janeta, and for all of you who are new to this channel and never seen it before, we do sewing, mostly sewing, sometimes embroidery. I do some embroidery projects here and there, but it is mostly sewing. And I design my patterns so they are easy, useful, easy to follow. And today is no different. Today is gonna be very easy project, and it's this little poop bag. So I used this is just a reflective design. So when you are walking the dog outside, so the cars can see the dog and you. So I designed this for craft fairs. So we have about 4 or 5 different craft fairs coming up, and so this is gonna be this is what we will be selling, and you can do this in 15 minutes. It's quick project, easy, scraps you have at home. I also made this one, and the zipper is also reflective, so it's a slightly different design, but the same size, the same concept. You put the poo bag in, it is fully lined, and you put the poo bag in, and then you just take the bag out. You can clip it on your leash or on your keys. So yeah, it's a cute little project for all the dog lovers out there. So this is what we are going to be working on today. And it doesn't have PDF file. Usually I include, like for my more complicated designs, I do include PDF file, but this one is so easy. All you need is a rectangle, and I will give you the dimensions so you will know exactly how big, and you can adjust the size. You can make it bigger, smaller, it's up to you. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, let's go over the things again. It's a scrub buster, very easy to make. It's gonna take about 15 minutes to make. So we need the exterior fabric, and I'm using waterproof canvas, and lining is cotton. Then we have a zipper. We have the D-ring, and I'm using elastic. And I'm gonna have most of these things on my website, zazalinestudio.com. If you are looking for things, you will find them in one place. So then we have a zipper pole, and I have these cute little, they are reflective. So it's safety feature. So when you are outside walking your dog, the paws will reflect, so cars will see you. And this is for the hole, so we can pull the bags through, and just little hook, bias tape. Yeah, you can make your own. I usually buy them on Amazon. They are very inexpensive and so much easier because they are already double folded. So all you have to do is just fold it in half, and you are gonna cover the raw edges. And I'm gonna give you the measurements. It's 20 centimeters over 13 centimeters, but you can do any size you want. So we have these two, which we will separate. We will separate the zipper. And this is my exterior fabric. So I'm gonna place the zipper down. So the good side is going down. And then we will do the same on this side. So again, good sides facing each other. This is my wrong side, good side. And the zipper goes on top, and the good sides facing each other. And the teeth, the zipper teeth, are on the bottom facing the inside. Now we are gonna take our lining, and it's hard to see, but this is the wrong side, this is the good side, and I'm gonna place the good side down. So again, good sides are facing each other. That's usually the general rule. And then we will clip it and clip it here, and we will take it to the machine. And usually I switch it to zipper foot and I go as close to the teeth as possible. I'm not gonna do it this time because I have a nice printed zipper, so I want to show it off. And so I'm gonna go about 1/2 centimeter from the edge, from the zipper edge. So if you don't have a nice zipper, just a regular one, go as close to the teeth as possible. If you do have a nice zipper and you want to show it off, then go only maybe 1/2 centimeter. Okay. Okay, so now when we are done, we will flip it over. And I will take it to my ironing station and I'm gonna press it down. Once you press it down, you will top stitch on both sides. Now when we are done and we top stitched on both sides, we are gonna grab the zipper pull and we are gonna insert it. Hold the ends and pull, and we are gonna go all the way, and we will do it again. We just lay down on the table and pull. We will leave it somewhere in the middle. Now I usually place the one clip. This one is smaller so it doesn't come apart, and then I will flip it inside out. Okay, and now we are gonna decide on the placement. So let's say we will keep this much on the top, and now we can clip the sides. This is about 1 inch, yeah, 1 inch from the top to the zipper teeth in the middle. And we don't want to forget about the D-ring. So now you can decide. I have done one here before, so let's make sure that the where the zipper is facing, that's where we have the little D-ring. So the head is facing this way, so we are gonna place it right inside. Okay, now we will take it back to the sewing machine, and we are gonna do this time a 1 centimeter seam allowance on both sides. Okay, now when we are done, we are gonna cut the ends and make them nice and straight. The same thing on this side, because we are going to apply the bias tape. Okay, and now we are going to go back to the machine and we are going to top stitch on the sides. Okay, and once we are done, we will open it up here and let's reveal. Yeah, almost done. This project is so fast. You can do 4 or 5 in 1 hour. Great for craft fairs, if you have Etsy store, or just for a friend as a gift. Okay, usually I'm using this little piece of wood. You can use whatever you want, as long as it's a little pointy. And you just want to push out the corners, because we have the bias tape in there, and sometimes the corners are not as nice and sharp, so you have to help it a little bit. And it's up to you if you want to have the zipper this way or this way. This one I made that the zipper is on this side. This one is probably better, but hey, it's gonna work anyways. So now we are gonna do the little hole and the paws. So I'm gonna find the placement, and I'm gonna go probably a little bit higher up. So this is 10 centimeters. So let's do middle, just to make sure it's not crooked. So this is where my hole is gonna be. see where my placement is. Okay, and then I'm just gonna press down. Okay, so there we go. It actually cuts the fabric at the same time. Now I'm gonna place these reflective paws because they are so cute. And one is gonna be here and one here. So most of these things that you see, I do have, or I will have, I'm still working on my website, the printed zippers, the zipper pulls, I have a glow-in-the-dark patches that you just iron on. And I will have some of these reflective paws. And I usually like to place a fabric on. And we want to apply heat. And if you are using vinyl, you want to reduce the heat and you want to be very careful. So let's just wait for it to cool down and then we are gonna peel it off and that's it. Okay, so I gave it a few minutes until it cools down and then you can just peel it off. But you have to wait until it really cools down, otherwise it's not gonna work. So the last thing we have to do is to add the a ring with the little hook, and there we have it. It's all done. We have a nice little pouch that we can put keys in. We can put the little bags in. So I don't have the whole roll, but this is how it is. You put the whole roll inside. And then when you are ready, you just take this little bag out and then it's gonna continue and you will have the whole bag inside, the whole roll. So if you enjoyed today's tutorial, please subscribe, hit the like button. If you have any questions, please comment and I will do my best to reply as soon as I can. And thank you for watching. I will see you next time.